All right, how are you? So I've got the chassis of the Dragon half track done. So we've got the wheels on, we've got all that done, the interior part, but there's no engine. There's that thing, whatever that engine's for, and there's a fuel tank, a battery, and nothing else. It's odd. So under here, this is really nice. So this went together really well. The suspension, and this is movable this way, so you can move the tires that way. It's just I put a bit too much glue on, and you can move them like that. So it's fully movable suspension once you got it together. Hey Els, how are you? And yeah, no problems. It's really nice actually. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but there is a definite charm, like ICM to Dragon. They're really good plastic. And on the wheels, don't know if you can see, but they've got, yeah, you can see they've got the manufacturer on it, which is really nice. It's a lot better than the definitely than the Tamiya one. A lot better. I'm having a lot more fun with this one. So we've got the first page done. So we've got this sorted out. So we've got all this sorted out. We've got the wheels done, and then we've got up to here. So I put all this stuff on. Now it's saying to go onto the actual flamethrower device. But it's saying to do the tracks right at the end at step 22. I think I might do them now. We'll put them on now. But it looks like a pretty, complicated little system. So you gotta put that on, then you hook the next one on, and then you gotta glue that on without, yeah, you know what I mean, without it sticking to that. So I think I might have to build these as I go. So we just have to put a few together, wrap them around, build the next one, yeah, wrap them around, all that kind of stuff. So I might get into that. There's a lot of connection points on them. Now I've started to get some out. So there's a lot of cutting to do. So you got to make a lot of cuts, as you can see. But you can get it into a rhythm like I've done here. So you can, first of all, see in this line, I just went along and just cut out the first parts, this part. Then I'll come along and I'll do the next part, and then the next part. So you just sort of make a system of it. We'll get some of these out and we'll have a look, and we'll put the tracks on. I'll show you very soon how the tracks look. I'll speak to you again.